Hello everyone, once again welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here before you to present another scape that is actually not big nor small, so I don't know what to say. It cannot be called as a nanoscape or even a bigger one, so it's not the classic 80A60p or even the 45p. It's like an in-between piece. So I'll tell you the dimensions, that is 50 by 26 by 30 centimeter height. So then next what I'll be explaining is the hardscape material and the substrate which I am going to use. So before going to the hardscape, I would like to say one thing, that all the products that you see in this video are actually personally purchased by me and are not anyway sponsored by anyone or any company, and also they are not meant for any advertisement purposes. So with that cleared, let's move on to the next topic. Okay. I know many of you might be wondering where my old studio, which I used to do a neo-glass air vent. Actually, I am not at my house presently. I am at my wife's house, and actually my in-laws asked me to do a scape here because they actually liked the Dua Neo Glass Air videos and they actually wanted to enjoy a piece of nature at their home. So that's why I'm here and I'm making a scape here. Okay. Regarding the aquarium, I'll tell you once again that is it's 50 centimeters in width and 26 centimeters in depth and 30 centimeters in height. With that, the one more feature about this aquarium is it's a clear glass aquarium, and you can actually see the joints are sealed well, and you can see the glue which is used there, which actually gives the scape a good look once it's complete. After the tank, this is actually a normal LED light which is actually available in the common aquarium stores all around here. And after that, what I would like to explain is I'm not using a nutrient rich substrate like the one we use like the ADA power sand. Instead of that, I'll be using this black lava rock, because this has a porous structure and will actually enable good aeration beneath the substrate and also help in colonizing the bacteria. So actually it was a big stone like this, the black lava rock. I broke it down into many pieces like this, which I'll be using at the base of the aquarium. And then followed by that, this is the dragon stone which I'll be using for the main hardscape, that is the Iwagumi style. I think I'll go with the Sanzon Iwagumi style, that is the use of the most minimum number of rocks in an Iwagumi style. The maximum is 3. That will be the main, and if possible, according to the Iwagumi rule, which I will show you while doing the scape, there might be 4 stones, the 4th one being the most insignificant or like not very significant in the scape. Regarding the fertilization, I'll be using the Tropica's Premium Nutrition, which is actually an all-in-one fertilizer, and I don't want to keep it more complex for my in-laws to maintain this tank. So this is, I think, which I consider good for use as of now. And the water here actually contains chlorine, and for that I actually got this. This is the ADA's Chlor-Off, which is actually helpful in removing the chlorine. And finally, to say the main thing, that I got all this from a single store. I'm actually in Mangalore right now. I got this from the shop called Aqua, which is now run by the person named Vishal. And Vishal, if you're watching this, thanks a lot for providing all these things. Actually, it's very hard to get these things from a single place, and you actually have a good store with a good amount of all the materials there, so that I was able to get everything from you. Thanks a lot for that. So with that, let us begin the scaping. Okay. that was a scaping video. So I hope everyone liked it, and it's actually day 2 now, and I've been changing the water daily. That is, it has been 2 days, 50%, and have been checking the water parameters daily. And actually I use a JBL water checking kit which I have, and in the next video I'll be showing you what the water parameters were on the day 1 and day 2. Okay, actually I checked I don't have the data of day 1, I have the data of day 2 with the detailed procedure of how to check each and every parameters, that is mainly KH, pH, ammonia, nitrite and nitrate. These parameters will be shown in the next video which I'll post. And the water is still cloudy, but the plants seem to be doing fine, and the filter is also actually doing fine. And one thing I'll do is, in the description I'll explain in detail about what are all equipments or the devices that I have used for this video, so that you can understand it. And then other than that, I think everything looks fine. So if you really enjoyed this video, press the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. See you again in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Boy, shake hand. Good boy. Chocolate.